Like today in the shop, we're bringing you some destruction. So customer of ours brought us a 2013 Roush Phase 3. So it's the 2.3 Roush TBS blower, stock motor. It's got a pulley and injectors and stuff like that. We had previously done some work to it. He's gotten a couple years out of it, and then we got the call that no one ever wants to make, that the motor shut off and he thought his starter was broken. Well, we towed it in and come to find out it pushed a rod out the side of it. So today we're going to go through a video kind of showing you guys the disassembly process and really what everybody wants to see, just the carnage of it all, really. So we're going to show you some footage. Hopefully you guys like it, and check it out.
Somewhere in there.
Now that's a lot of damage!
Good old 6-cylinder. It's a V6.
Well, a new rod, feedback ready. All right, so here we got our little destruction area. We've kind of organized it to block pieces. We got some piston ring here. And this is unknown. This is what's left of the piston. And the rod. What I wanted to point out was the bearing on this is actually in really good shape. So obviously this thing wasn't detonating when it broke. It just overpowered the rod, and this is what we got. Kind of a 6-piece design. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, seeing all the blown up, broken parts. This is going to be one of a 3-part video. This first one's going to obviously be about the blown up stuff. We're going to do an engine build section of it and then wrap it up with the dyno video. So we already got the long block done here. We're going to be putting the cams and timing chains and everything, getting ready to install, and that video will be coming up next. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and follow us for more content.